The journey of silk begins here, among the lush forests of northern Iran. Hidden within these forests are small villages where the beautiful story of silk begins. In these villages, farmers cultivate mulberry trees, the essential food for silkworms.
Fresh mulberry leaves are carefully gathered to feed the silkworms. Silkworms feed exclusively on mulberry leaves, growing quickly to spin their cocoons.
A farmer gently spreads fresh mulberry leaves to feed the silkworms. As silkworms grow, they prepare to spin their silky cocoons, the foundation of silk thread.
Silkworms take about 4 to 6 weeks to mature, feeding continuously on mulberry leaves.
When ready, silkworms begin spinning their cocoons, wrapping themselves in silky threads. Generations of women have tended these silkworms, preserving a cherished tradition. Silk cocoons are boiled to soften the fibers, making them ready for unwinding. After boiling, the softened silk fibers are carefully unwound into long threads. Skilled hands of local women gently transform cocoons into shimmering silk threads. These raw silk threads are gathered and prepared for the ancient art of dyeing. In village dye workshops, natural colors are prepared from plants, roots, and minerals. The silk threads soak in steaming pots, absorbing vibrant, long-lasting colors. After dyeing, the silk is hung to dry under the warm village sun. Each strand now carries not just color, but a story, ready to be woven into art. Before weaving begins, master artists create the detailed carpet designs by hand. These designs, called cartoons, guide every knot of the future carpet. An elderly master adds the final touches, adjusting colors and forms with practiced precision. Each pattern reflects centuries of Persian tradition and artistic mastery.
In the village workshops, the weaving begins, one knot at a time, guided by the master's design.
From the master's design, we journey to the place where this map will be transformed by the skilled hands of Iranian women into a work of art.
Kandovan, a unique village carved into volcanic rocks, has stood for centuries, blending nature with human ingenuity. Here, generations of families have lived in harmony with the land, preserving traditions passed down through centuries.
The unique architecture of Kandovan's homes carved from volcanic rock creates a picturesque landscape unlike any other.
Inside these historic homes, skilled young women weave the rich legacy of Persian silk carpets with every knot. Each movement of their hands ties not just thread, but heritage, patience, and pride into every inch. Passed down through generations, this craft remains a symbol of Iranian identity and resilience. Month after month, row by row, the carpet grows, an intricate masterpiece taking shape. Every detail, from the delicate flowers to flowing borders, is guided by the original hand-drawn design. When the final knot is tied, the carpet is cut from the loom, a moment of pride and celebration. Each finished silk carpet is carefully inspected, then prepared for global markets. Rolled with care, each carpet is packed and labeled for its journey across borders. From quiet villages to grand galleries in Europe, Persian silk carpets are treasured around the world. Iran remains the world's leading exporter of handmade carpets, with millions of square meters reaching over 80 countries each year. Each Persian silk carpet is more than a product. It's a living story of nature, heritage, and human devotion. From humble beginnings to timeless masterpieces, Persian silk carpets continue to captivate hearts worldwide. In grand palace halls, Persian silk carpets add warmth and timeless elegance. In luxurious modern mansions, these carpets blend heritage with contemporary style. Persian silk carpets weave together history, culture, and the hearts of those who create them.
Thank you for joining us on this journey into the art of Persian silk carpet weaving.